What's up everyone and welcome to the club. In today's video we're going to be drawing our interpretation of ambush from Roblox doors. Let's begin this lesson at the very top of our page with the bottom edge of the brow. Let's leave a gap in the center. We'll start over on the left side. I'm going to curve the brow coming in and then up. Let's line this up over on the right side and do the same thing. And draw the bottom edge of the brow. Starting back on the bottom left, I'm just going to curve the brow going up and then bend that out. Now I'm going to draw two ovals for the eyes underneath the brow. On the top left, let's step in all the way around towards the bottom of the eye. And just tuck that up underneath that bottom point of the brow. And do the same thing on the right, going all the way around and then back up. Let's add a fold and bevel along the bottom of the eye. Starting from the left, we go out, pull it up along the side, and then in. Now I'm going to switch to my thick black marker and fill the inside of the eyes in black. Now we want to draw the mouth in the center of the head. Let's start in between the eyes with a point. From this point we're going to curve this out towards the left, come all the way down towards the bottom, and then in towards the center. Let's go back up to the top, go out towards the right, go down, and then back in. Let's add a fold along the outside, starting on the left, just underneath the eye, going around the mouth. And we'll add a row of teeth along the side of the mouth. Let's start on the top left, curve this down and in, bend that back out. Let's take that and flip it over on the right. Just line this up. Now you want to repeat this all the way down towards the bottom, leaving a small gap. Just going to go a little bit bigger on the center teeth. Continue along the bottom. Now as you get down towards the bottom teeth, just going to go a little bit smaller. One smaller one along the bottom. Now we're going to go back and fill the inside of the mouth in black, going around those teeth. Now we're going to go back up to the top and add a thick brow. Let's start over on the top left, curve this up above the eye, just bend that down on the inside, just line this up on the right, going up towards the same height, and then bring that down along the side. In between the brow, just going to curve the top of the head. Let's draw the side of the head. Start from the side of the brow, curve around, and then bend that in. Let's move back down to the bottom and add some fur along the bottom of the chest. We're going to start over on the left, curve this down and in, taper that back up. Let's add a couple more points. Down and in, going up, and we'll close this off with one more curve. Let's take that and flip it over on the right. So we're going to line this up and do the same thing. Now we're going to go back up to the top and work our way along the outside of the arm. Let's start from the side of the head. Let's add some fur. Go down and out. Pull that in. And bend this out. And then down towards the elbows. Let's add a point of fur across the elbow. Draw the forearm going all the way around and then in towards the hand. Now along the bottom of the arm, I'm going to curl the fingers going back up. So from the bottom of the arm, step up, I'm going to add a fold, coming down, and we'll add the claw along the side, then it's out, and then up, all the way down, and then bend that in towards the knuckle. Let's round up the knuckle, and then pull that back up. Now layer 2 more knuckles along the bottom. Let's step in, curl this down, and bend that up. Let's add one more, coming down and then up towards the outside of the hand. Now from here, it's going to bend the arm coming back up underneath the body. So going up and bending that in. Let's add a second claw in this open gap. Going up and tucking this in towards the side of the arm. Now let's move in and draw on the legs. In between the hips, we're going to step down, add a curve. Going up and then down in between the legs. Leave a gap in the center, go to the left side, bend the leg going out, and then down towards the left heel. Move over towards the right, go out and down towards the right heel. Let's round out the bottom of the foot, coming down and out towards the first claw. Now we're going to draw on the first claw. Let's start from the edge of the foot, we're going to go up toward the top, and then bend the claw coming down. And it's going to close off the bottom with a curve coming in towards the bottom of the foot. Let's tuck 2 more claws along the side. Start from the top, going up, and then down, and then just pulling that in. Now I'm going to do that one more time, going up and then down. Now going back to the hips, we're going to curve the legs going out and then down on top of the last claw. Let's start with the left. Go out, just pull that down on top. Let's separate the hands from the arms with a fur texture. Starting from the outside, going up and in, and come down toward the point. And it's going to repeat this towards the inside. And then bend this in and then down. Let's do the same thing on the right. Let's add that same thing across the bottom of the leg, bending this up and in, and just working our way towards the inside of the leg, and then bending this down. Now I'm going to add some blood dripping down from the mouth. Let's start from the left side, go out, and then up, come down toward the middle. I'm just going to work our way up towards the right side. Just adding these curves, add one more drip, and then come in toward the side. And I'll add some spots along the outside. Let's sign our art and add a splash of color, and that's pretty much it. There's our interpretation of Ambush from Roblox Doors. I hope you enjoyed today's lesson. If you did, please make sure you subscribe because I'm posting new lessons every single day. If you want to keep drawing with me, you might want to check out this video over here. I want to thank you for watching, and I'll see you again soon.